You have some power shears, really neat. Comes with 2 batteries. Each battery has an indicator on it. So you can see here, indicator. And you have some sharpening stones, some tools here, and some oil there. And there's your charger there. Has an owner's manual as well. So it's pretty neat. It has a safety on the back here. So you can see there, it'll turn on. And even if you pull the trigger, it doesn't work. You have to still do another step, which is hit it twice and then it unlocks it. So that basically keeps a kid from grabbing it. What I like is, I like that these come in a carrying case because I like to keep the batteries off of it and I like to keep them in the carrying case. Let's go use this, see how it does. So there's some light work here, right? Like this thing will cut this no problem. I really haven't been able to find, like, that's about thicker than my thumb. Let's try to max this guy out. So that barely fits in there, okay? Look at that. Now I'm gonna go like, let's go here. I did it. I'm gonna try to max it out. If I do max it out there, then it's gonna get stuck. But let's do one more, see that? And it did it, all right. Let's like try this guy over here. So if I do it, this is like thicker than my thumb. No problem. I could just keep going all day. So this is really nice when you're trying to, you have this stuff and you have a fire pit and you're just trying to kind of cut everything up. Nope, still got through it. Just to make it smaller and more manageable, you can just quickly go through and cut stuff up. So very, very, very convenient tool. It has a counter on there. It also has a battery indicator on there as well. I don't know why they put these counters on there. I don't know, maybe it's, I don't know, but it tells you every time and it resets. But yeah, really nice. Feels good in your hands. It's pretty lightweight. I like that it comes with 2 batteries. Let's see how much battery life is on there. Still has full battery life. We've done all those cuts. So yeah, really neat. Electric pruning shears. Lithium-ion batteries, 21 volts, and they actually fit in a couple different tools. So these batteries are interchangeable. So if you had some of their other ones, you can use them on those. I'll lock it up. It's off, doesn't work anymore. Put it down in the case and lock it up. Keep it away from anyone that shouldn't be playing with it. There they are. Lithium electric pruning shears.